Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz.
Mauli, God with us.
Indios paramus, meaning in God is our hope.
Nothing but the best.
No precor, no meditor, can no lucro. We pray, we practice, and we win.
Yes, Elijah.
It's false.
You're right. Yes, Gaddafi.
It's false.
Yes. Yes, Amma.
True.
Yes.
Root 2 times 10 upon negative 5 newtons, or 1.414 times 10 upon negative 5 newtons.
Yes, Jessica.
Condensation polymerization.
You're right. I am a property of matter. For some materials, I decrease when temperature is increased. Yes, Vanderpoy.
Density.
That's incorrect. Prempeh College. That gives you 3 out of 10. Abebio.
Citric acid.
I'm not accepting that. I'm very disappointed. I'm giving every school 1 out of 10. Calm down, compose yourself, and deliver your answer clearly.
Total internal reflection.
You're right. Yes, Jennifer?
Fermentation.
You're right. Yes, Jeremiah?
The streamline shape helps the fish to pass through the water without any problem.
University practice. Questions 1 to 4, all correct. I am happy to award a perfect score. Yes, Michael.
Solenoid.
Solenoid. Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. This is the 12th 1A stage contest featuring Assini Senior High School, Notre Minor Seminary Senior High School, and Kintampo Senior High School. I have here with me Assini Senior High School represented by
Alani Isiaka, Form 3.
I'm here, Joseph Aka, final year.
Assini Senior High School is joining us from the preliminary stage of competition. Welcome, gentlemen. What's your message?
Our message is that x raised to the power y equals victory, where s is Assini Senior High School and y is the power of God.
Wow, what an equation. Best wishes to you. I hope you solve it. Next is Notre Minor Seminary Senior High School represented by
Ishaq Haruna Rashid, final year.
One Vanna Thomas Kuji, final year.
Notre Dame Minor Seminary Senior High School went all the way to the semi-finals last year. It was the reigning champions that unseated you. I know you are trying to go even higher. All right. You are welcome and best wishes. Your message?
Our message is that the Lord is our shepherd. There is nothing we shall want.
Okay. Best wishes to you. Finally, we have Kintampo Senior High School represented by
Babon Babadere Sylvester, final year.
Maunyo Elijah Free, final year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen. Kintampo Senior High School is joining us from the regional competition from the Bron Ahafo region, where they were one of the top performing schools. Welcome, gentlemen. Do you have a message?
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Our message is, success comes not to those who wish for it, but to those who believe it. In God we trust.
All right. Contestants, as always, the contest comes to you in 4 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts, simple, direct questions requiring simple, direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it gets passed on to the 2 other schools to rank for. Once a school ranks and answers correctly, a bonus point. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to present an answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds in which you can do so. All questions are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. The first set will require 30 seconds of your time. I'm going to start with Notre, but there's first a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Express the recurrent decimal as a rational number. Notre, 5.1111 and so on. Yes, Wanvana.
47/9.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 46/9. Half Assini with the same preamble. 7.3333 on and on. Yes, Alani.
22/3.
You're right. With the same preamble, Kintampo. 2.777 and so on. Elijah.
27/3.
That's incorrect. Yes, Wanvana.
It's 25/9.
You're right. Next set, 30 seconds. This is the preamble. The thermal expansivity of gold is 1.4 times 10 raised to the power -5 per Kelvin. That's the preamble. Now, your question, Notre. Find the change in length when the temperature of a 0.2 meter long gold wire is changed from 50 Kelvin to 100 Kelvin. Yes, Rashid.
1.4 times 10 to the power -2 meters.
That's incorrect. Yes, Elijah.
1.4 times 10 to the power -4 meters.
You're right. With the same preamble, half Assini. Find the change in length when the temperature of a 2-meter long gold wire is changed from 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Yes, Lani.
1.4 times 10 is -3 meters.
Yes. With the same preamble, Kintampo, find the change in temperature that results in a change in length by 0.7 millimeters of a 2-meter long wire. Yes, Elijah.
4 times 10 to the power -2 Kelvin.
That's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is 25 Kelvin. Notre. Explain how alluvial gold is formed. Wanvana.
Madam, alluvial gold is the one that is always obtained from river banks and then rivers, and it is formed as a result of the gold particles coagulated with aluminium and other substances.
I'm not accepting that. For bonus. You've explained what the alluvial gold is, but you didn't tell us how it's formed. Gold-bearing rocks are subjected to the effects of the weather or running water. The weathering of the rocks loosens the gold, which is then deposited as small particles in the places that you mentioned, river beds or banks. All right, so weather and running water. Assini, which metals are referred to as coinage metals? Alani.
Alkali earth metals.
I'm not accepting that for bonus. Oh, coinage metals, copper, silver, gold. Those are the coinage metals. Kintampo, gold is generally resistant to chemical attack. There are, however, 3 reagents that attack gold easily. Name any one of them. One. Yes, Elijah.
Sodium.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Oh, there are 3 of them. Potassium or sodium cyanide solution in the presence of oxygen or air. That's the first one. The second one is aqua regia, which is a 1-to-3 mixture of concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3. And then the last one is boron trifluoride. With this information, you can start mining some gold, right? Notre, what name is given to a cluster of flowers with a common stalk? Yes, Rashid.
Inflorescence.
Yes. Assini, what name is given to the stalk of an inflorescence? Yes, I'm here.
Pentacle.
No. For a bonus. Yes, one Vanna.
It's peduncle.
Peduncle. Yes, I'll give it to you. Kintampo, what name is given to the point at which the flower parts are attached to the peduncle? For bonus. The right answer is receptacle. Next set, 30 seconds. This is the preamble. Solve the indicial equation. That's the preamble. Notre, 3 raised to the power of the expression 3x minus 4 is equal to 9 raised to the power x. Yes, one Vanna.
X is equal to 4.
Yes. Assini, with the same preamble, 2 raised to the power of the expression x plus 5 is equal to 4 raised to the power 3x. Yes, Alani?
X is 1.
You're right. Kintampo, 5 raised to the power 4x is equal to 125 raised to the power of the expression x plus 1. Yes, Elijah?
X is equal to 3.
You're right. Next set, 30 seconds. This is the preamble. The position in meters at time t in seconds of a simple harmonic oscillator is given by 20 sine of 5 pi t. Notre, what is the amplitude of the oscillator? Yes, one Vanna.
20 meters.
You're right. Assini, what is the frequency of the oscillator? Yes, Alani.
2.5 Hz. 2.5 Hz.
Okay. Hertz. What is the maximum speed of the oscillator? Please give your answer in terms of pi. For bonus. Yes, Alani.
5 pi radian per second.
No. The right answer is 100 pi meters per second. Notre, how many elements are present in group 3 or 13 of the periodic table? One Vanna.
10.
That's incorrect. Yes, I'm here.
5.
Yes. Your major question. How many elements are present in group 2 of the periodic table? Yes, I'm here.
6.
You're right. Kintampo, how many elements are present in the 3rd period of the periodic table? Yes, Sylvester.
8.
You're right. Notre Dame, name the 2 forms of energy that are commonly used by living organisms to synthesize their organic requirements. Yes, Rashid.
Chemical energy and light energy.
You're right. Assini, what name is given to living organisms that obtain energy by the oxidation of electron donors in their environments? I'm here.
Aerobic animals.
No. For bonus. They are chemotrophs. Kintampo, what name is given to parasites that cause diseases in living organisms? Yes, Sylvester?
Pathogens.
You're right. Next set, 30 seconds. This is the preamble. Evaluate the numerical expression. That's the preamble. Notre Dame, 10 permutation 2. Yes, Wanvana?
90.
You're right. Assini, with the same preamble, 6 permutation 3. Alani?
120.
You're right. Kintampo, 7 permutation 3. Sylvester?
180.
That's incorrect. Yes, Alani?
210.
210. All right, next set, 30 seconds. I have a preamble, and please be mindful of significant figures. All right, this is the preamble. A particle has mass 2 times 10 raised to the power negative 30 kilograms. The Planck constant is approximately 7 times 10 to the power negative 34 joules second. Notre Dame, what is the de Broglie wavelength associated with the particle when it is moving at 700 meters per second? Yes, Wanvana?
2 times 10 to the power 6 meters.
That's incorrect. Yes, Elijah?
5 times 10 to the power negative 7 meters.
Yes. Assini, with the same preamble, find the speed at which the de Broglie wavelength of the particle is 5 micron. Yes, Alani?
1 times 10 is negative 4 meters per second.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 70 meters per second. Kintampo, with the same preamble, find the change in the de Broglie wavelength when the speed of the particle changes from 100 meters per second to 200 meters per second. For bonus, the right answer is negative 2 micron. Notre Dame, the name 1,3-dimethyl-propane is incorrect. Give the correct systematic name. Yes, Rashid?
Butane.
That's incorrect for bonus. Yes, Alani?
2,2-dimethyl propane.
No. It's simply pentane. Pentane. Your major question, Assini. The name tet-butyl-methane is incorrect. Give the correct systematic name. For bonus. The right answer is 2,2-dimethyl-propane. Kintampo, the name 2-ethyl-pentane is incorrect. Give the correct systematic name. Yes, Elijah?
3-methyl-hexane.
You're right. Notre Dame. Name the parts of fiber and cartilage that separate one vertebra from another. Yes, Wanvana.
Intervertebral disc.
Yes. Assini. What name is given to the body of vertebra that provides support and protection for the spinal cord? Yes, Alani?
Vertebral column.
No.
Centrum.
It's the centrum. Kintampo, in histology, what name is given to a small space containing an osteocyte in bone or chondrocyte in cartilage? Yes, Elijah?
Spinal cord.
No. Yes, Wanvana?
The lacunae.
Lacuna. Preamble to all schools. State the converse of the given statement and indicate whether the converse is true or false. If a number is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 3. Yes, Rashid.
If a number is not divisible by 9, it's not divisible by 3, and it's false.
I'm not accepting that for a bonus. The right answer. If a number is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 9, and it's false. Assini. If a number is divisible by 9, then the sum of its digits is a multiple of 9. Yes, Alani?
If the sum of the digit is a multiple of 9, then it is true.
I am not accepting it for a bonus. Yes, Elijah?
If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9 is false.
Oh, you made a mess of the whole thing. The right answer. If the sum of the digits of a number is a multiple of 9, then it is divisible by 9, and this is true. Your major question with the same preamble. If a number is divisible by 5, then it is divisible by 10. Yes, Elijah?
If a number is divisible by 10, then it is divisible by 5, and it is true.
You are right. Next set, 30 seconds, and this is the preamble. Acceleration due to gravity is approximately 10 meters per second squared. That's the preamble. Notre Dame. What is the height attained by a projectile launched at 30 degrees to the horizontal with speed 100 meters per second? You may neglect air resistance. Yes, Rashid?
5 meters.
That's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer is 125 meters. Assini, with the same preamble. Find the flight time of a projectile launched at 100 meters per second horizontally, 20 meters above a flat horizontal surface. Yes, Alani?
0.2 seconds.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Yes, Elijah?
10 seconds.
Oh, the right answer is 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Your major question with the same preamble. A projectile launched vertically upward from the ground is airborne for 50 seconds. Find the launch speed. Yes, Elijah.
100 meters per second.
No, for bonus. The right answer is 250 meters per second. Next set, 30 seconds. Notre Dame. Calculate the pH of 0.10 mole per decimeter cube solution of a weak acid of pKa 5.2. Yes, Rashid?
3.1.
You're right. Assini. Calculate the pH of 0.1 mole per decimeter cube solution of NH4Cl, given that the pKb of ammonia is 4.76. For bonus, the right answer is 5.12. Kintampo. Calculate the pH of 0.10 mole per decimeter cubed ammonia solution, given that the pKb of ammonia is 4.76. Yes, Elijah.
2.88.
That's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is 11.12. You see, the 2.88 was the POH, not the pH. Name the type of food stored in the following plant parts. That's the preamble. Notre Dame. Seed of beans. Yes, Wamvana.
Proteins.
2 out of 3. There's also starch. Assini, seed of groundnut. Yes, I'm here.
Protein.
2 out of 3. There is also oil, plenty of it. Kintampo, rhizome of ginger. Yes, Elijah.
Vitamins and carbohydrate.
I'll give you 2. The carbohydrates, that's starch, right? There's also oil. That's the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Kintampo Senior High School has 17 points. Assini Senior High School has 20 points. Notre Dame Minor Seminary Senior High School has 27 points. Let me encourage all schools to work even harder. Round 2. In this round, I'm going to present all 3 schools with a single question, the problem of the day. From the time I ask you to begin, you have 3 minutes in which to present a single answer from your school. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. In an acid-base titration, the following 3 titer values were obtained as follows: 16.43 centimeter cubed, 16.22 centimeter cubed, and 16.34 centimeter cubed. 1. Calculate the average titer. 2. Calculate the average deviation. 3. Determine the precision of the titration. 4. Write down the final form of the average titer to include the precision. 5. If the true value of the titer was supposed to be 16.50 centimeter cubed, determine the accuracy of the exercise. And 6. Write down the final form of the average titer to include the accuracy. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. stop writing and present your answers. Contestants, please pick up your answers and present them on the boards. The contestants have presented the answers. Before we award the marks, let's look at the suggested solution from our consultants. This is a problem in chemistry, although it could be a problem also in physics or in any of the other sciences, because it's a very experimental thing involving accuracy, precision, measurements, averages, and so on, right? But it's a problem in chemistry. So we have an acid-base titration, and we have 3 titer values which have been given: 16.43 centimeter cubed, 16.22 centimeter cubed, and 16.34 centimeter cubed. There are 3 of them. First step, calculate the average. Average, sum them, divide by the number, right? So 16.43 plus 16.22 plus 16.34, all divided by 3. And if you do the sum, you should get 16.33 centimeter cubed, 3 points. Next, calculate the average deviation. You get a deviation by taking the average that has been calculated and looking for the difference between that and the value. So for the first one, we have 0.10, second one, we have 0.11, third one, 0.01. Again, if you want the average, sum them, divide by the number. So these values I just mentioned, 0.10 plus 0.11 plus 0.01, all divided by 3. And you can present it to one significant figure. That should give you 0.07, 2 points. Next, determine the precision of the titration. In this case, the precision is the same as the average deviation. So the precision is given as plus or minus 0.07, 1 point. Fourth, find or write down the final form of the average titer to include the precision. So we calculated for an average, we have a precision, put them together to get 16.33 plus or minus 0.07 centimeter cubed, 1 point. Next, if the true value of the titer is supposed to be 16.50 centimeter cubed, determine the accuracy of the exercise. The accuracy is the same as the absolute error, right? So you know what is supposed to be, you know what you have measured, your average value. What is the difference? That is the accuracy. So 16.50 minus 16.33 to give 0.17. But in this case, one significant figure should do nicely. So this is approximately 0.2 for accuracy, 2 points. Now, last step, write down the final form of the average titer to include the accuracy. So the average titer is 16.3 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter cubed, 1 point, giving a total of 10 points. That is the suggested solution to this problem of the day. Now, contestants, Assini, I don't even know whether we have Assini and Notre Dame. I'm not sure whether we had the same question. You decided to ignore one of the measurements altogether and started doing your own thing. Doesn't make any sense. I'm giving you 1 point each, 1 out of 10. Kintampo, yes, you were able to calculate for the average title. That was a correct calculation, 3 points. Then you started on the average deviation. You knew what you were supposed to do, but the last one gave you some problems. Instead of 0.01, you have 0.1. Okay, for the process, I'll give you 1 out of 2 for that. And that was the end of it. Nothing else. All right. Since I gave these gentlemen 1 each, I'm going to add 1 to your 4 to give you 5 out of 10. I really like this question, but unfortunately, anyway, that's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 2. You may pick up your notepads. Round 3. In this round, I'm going to present you with statements. When you receive your statement, please consider the statement carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. If a school ranks and answers correctly, 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches the penalty point. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm starting with you, Assini, your statement. The only common divisor of an even number and an odd number is 1. Yes, I'm here.
It's true.
No, that's a false statement. You can think of 6 and 3. Kintampo, if a number is divisible by 4 and 5, it is divisible by 20. Yes, Elijah?
It's true.
Yes. If a number is divisible by 4 and 6, it is divisible by 24. Yes, Rashid?
It's true.
No, that's a false statement. Look at 12, divisible by 4 and 6, but not by 24. Assini. The atom produced when the nucleus of an atom absorbs a neutron has the same chemical properties as the parent atom. Yes, sir, I'm here.
It's false.
No, that's a true statement. Kintampo, the atom produced when the nucleus of an atom absorbs a proton has the same chemical properties as the parent atom. Yes, Elijah?
It's false.
You're right. The atom produced when the nucleus of an atom absorbs a photon has the same chemical properties as the parent atom. Yes, Rashid?
It's false.
Oh, that's a true statement. Assini. A simple fruit can either be dry or fleshy. Yes, Alani?
It's true.
Yes. Kintampo, a simple fruit develops from a single flower with numerous simple pistils. Yes, Elijah?
It's false.
You're right. Notre Dame. An aggregate fruit is one formed from a cluster of flowers called an inflorescence. Yes, Rashid?
It's false.
You're right. The shape of the ammonia molecule is tetrahedral. Yes, Alani?
It's false.
You're right. The shape of the ethene molecule is trigonal planar. Yes, Elijah?
It's false.
You're right. The shape of the ammonium ion is tetrahedral. Yes, Wanvana?
True.
Yes. If an angle is obtuse, its supplement is acute. Alani?
It's true.
Yes. If an angle is acute, its complement is also acute. Yes, Elijah?
It's true.
Yes. Vertically opposite angles are congruent because they have the same supplementary angles. Yes, Rashid?
It's true.
Yes. A diamagnetic material is weakly repelled by a strong magnet. Yes, Alani?
It's true.
Yes. The magnetic properties of a paramagnetic material are independent of temperature. Yes, Elijah?
It's false.
You're right. A ferromagnetic material becomes paramagnetic when its temperature is increased beyond a critical temperature. Yes, Rashid?
It's true.
Yes. Viruses are facultative endoparasites. Yes, Alani?
It's true.
No, false. Kintampo, viruses are highly specific to their host. Elijah?
It's true.
Yes. Viruses can pass through filters that retain bacteria. Yes, Wanvana?
It's true.
Yes. Last set of statements. There is more aluminium than iron in the Earth's crust. Yes, Alani?
It's true.
Yes. There is more silicon than oxygen in the Earth's crust. Yes, Sylvester?
It's false.
You're right. There is more silicon than aluminium in the Earth's crust. Yes, Wanvana?
It's true.
Yes. And that brings us to the end of the third round. At the end of the third round, half Assini Senior High School has 28 points. Kintampo Senior High School has 38 points. Notre Minor Seminary Senior High School has 38 points. The contest will be decided in this fourth and final round. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve it on the second clue, 4 points. If you solve it on the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. In order to solve a riddle, you need to draw my attention. You do so by ringing your bell. May I hear your bell? Half Assini. Thank you. Yours, Notre Dame. Thank you. Yours, Kintampo. Thank you. When you ring, your answer must be ready. There are 4 riddles. I was first demonstrated theoretically, but countless experiments affirm my validity. I describe the radiation emitted by a heated object. I am a law that relates the temperature of an object and the wavelength for peak emission from the object. So who am I? Yes.
Displacement law. Where's displacement law?
Did someone else ring? Go ahead.
Law of electromagnetic induction.
No. Yes, go ahead. I'm here.
William's displacement law.
Oh, dear. It's the Wien's displacement law. You can call it Wien if you like. That's fine. But you tried multiple times. That's why I didn't give it to you. Next riddle. I am the oldest of all lineages of land plants. I am believed to be a vital link in the migration of plants from... Yes, Rashid.
Lichens.
No. I am believed to be a vital link in the migration of plants from aquatic environments onto land. I am also a traditional name used to refer to all land plants that do not have true vascular tissue. I have a life cycle with alternation of generations. Yes. Oh, no. Yes, Kintampo. Yes, Elijah.
Bryophyta.
You are right. I read the fourth clue. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a binary compound of triatomic molecules. My constituent elements are both non-metals. I am not as sociable as my younger sibling. We both suffer from a form of physical deformity, that is, we have bent backs. I tend to form insoluble, mostly black or brown precipitate with metal cations in solution. You may like everything about me, but not my offensive rotten egg.
Hydrogen sulfide.
Yes. That was the sixth clue, 3 points. Last riddle. I may be direct or indirect. Implications are part of me. I am not a theorem. Yes, Alani.
Statement.
No. Yes, which of you? Elijah.
Truth table.
Oh. For you, Notre Dame. I am not a theorem. I am indispensable in mathematical logic. I am the process of establishing a theorem. I am a sequence of statements leading to a final statement called the conclusion. So who am I?
Implication.
Anyone. Yes. Oh, this thing is simpler than you are thinking. It's the proof. That's the end of the fourth round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Assini Senior High School has 31 points. Notre Dame Minor Seminary Senior High School has 38 points. Kintampo Senior High School has 41 points. Assini Senior High School, thank you for being here and for giving us a good contest. Best wishes to you. Notre Dame Minor Seminary Senior High School, thank you for being here and for giving us that good contest as well. All the best to you. Kintampo Senior High School, congratulations on winning the contest. Well done, prepare well, and I shall look forward to seeing you at the quarterfinals. Best wishes to you. Viewers, thank you for joining us for this contest. We are not done with the 1A stage of competition. Next time, we'll bring you T.I. Ahmedia Senior High School, Ekumfi, O'Reilly Senior High School, and Achimota School. Please join us. Thank you. Bye.